We shall be lucky if we get any money for doing the job. Maybe the lunch can be given on a different day. A talk was to be given on the topic feeding the family. Eva was talking of going to Manitoba in May. If they wish to make any money, they will have to do the job in a different way. The wood was too thick, it was an inch in width, so we had to ship it back. We wish to know if it will make any difference to them if we ship the load of coal today. The change may be put into effect in May. We have no wish to make a change which will affect so many, but they have a different way of looking at it. If we can think of any way of doing the thing in a different way, we shall ask them to come in to see us. To our relief, they came early. We are leaving today, and we should reach Winnipeg in a day or two. Who will be going to see the Army and Navy game? If we wish to get to the game early, we should be ready in an hour. Ask Jack for a rug. Ray and Ruth are reading the book The Arm of the Law. We wrote to them asking them to rush the job, and they say they will have it ready in a month. We may be wrong, and if we are, we shall readily give him our apology. The check was put in a airmail envelope, and it should reach them today. So far, we have had a fair share of luck. We do a through repair job at our shop. We can fetch your car and leave it at your door. We rang the bell, but nobody came to the door. A year ago, Jim O'Dare bought the ranch belonging to the Perry family. The large ridge at Red Gap was rich in one. It will be easy to make an error and take the wrong road. We fear we shall have to borrow money if we are to carry on at the factory. We should add enough money to the fee we give him to pay for the fare. The jury may think the youth should get money for the injury. We have thanked him for the money we had to borrow. They may thank the judge whose talk was put on the air for the change in factory law. The charge for the rug was put on your March bill. We wish to remove any fear they may have, and we shall urge them to engage a lawyer. May we take Polly and Jack to see the parade on the 4th of March. We shall make up a party and have lunch at the cake shop. We are making a tour of Italy in March. Our party should be in Rome on the 4th of the month. We shall get back to Canada in May. The usual charge for parking the car at the garage was. We saw a copy of the rare book in the shop window. It should pay the firm to go on the air daily. Paul King was put in charge of the factory early in March, we can put a mark in red at the bottom of each page we check. Mary and Jack are to be married early in March. We wish to go to the wedding, but they may be married in Rome and it will be too far away. We shall ask the lawyer to talk for an hour. They will take a lorry load of coal to the shop today or tomorrow, wrap the package and mail it today. We think we ought to insure the package. We have given them to authority to change the policy of the firm. We get our milk at the dairy farm and we usually pay our bill monthly. The living room was at the rear of the shop. The door was too narrow and we had to remove it to get the large package into the room. Mary, whose memory was poor, read a different page of the book each day. We can change the collar on the fur wrap today, and the lady may come in for it tomorrow. Full stop.